Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase DPI of an image. So open any web browser and here type change DPI of image. Now here guys you will see a list of website and companies they provide this service. So freely and online you can use any website like DPI converter. Click on it. Now choose image and change the DPI of my image 72, 150, 200, 300, 400 or any other. So choose your image. Now here open this image. So this way you can change DPI of this image. As we can see now 300 DPI for this image. If you select 600, so again choose image, select your image. Now open that one, right click on it and file info. So we can see now we have 600 DPI. So thanks for watching. This is the easy and quick way to change DPI of any image online.